Welcome to our channel. Creating a Venmo account enables you to send and receive money easily from friends, family, and businesses. Here's how to sign up. Step 1. Download the Venmo app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android phones. Install the app and open it to start the sign-up process. Step 2. Tap Sign Up on the welcome screen. Choose whether you want to sign up using your email address or your Facebook account for faster registration. Step 3. If signing up with email, enter your email address and create a strong password. If using Facebook, grant Venmo permission to access your basic Facebook information. Step 4. Enter your phone number. Venmo will send you a verification code via text message to confirm your number and activate your account. Step 5. Provide your legal first and last name as it appears on your ID. This information is used to verify your identity and ensure account security. Step 6. Enter your date of birth. You must be at least 18 years old to create a Venmo account. Venmo uses this information for identity verification. Step 7. Create your Venmo username, which will be visible to other users when you send or receive payments. Choose something memorable that represents you. Step 8. Link your bank account or debit card to your Venmo account. Enter your bank account details or card information to enable money transfers and payments. Once your account is set up, you can start sending and requesting money from contacts, making payments to businesses, and managing your balance through the Venmo app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.